Now that you have a better understanding of HTML, it's a great time to practice by building a complete HTML page. In this project, we'll do just that. We'll employ all the knowledge we've gained to create the HTML homepage shown in this example. Before we get started on this project, it's important to understand a few things. This page will be built strictly in HTML to give you additional practice with coding. Since we have not yet covered CSS, the style of development we use to build this page will not be the most efficient. For example, we'll be using inline style formatting, which is considered outdated. In the CSS portion of this course, we'll create much more effective page layouts that are responsive with mobile devices. Using only HTML, we're limited in certain respects when it comes to the format and layout of our page. Without CSS, we'll need to insert all our objects inside table rows and columns. As we've mentioned earlier, using tables as layout containers has become a thing of the past. Though do keep in mind that understanding how to work with tables is still important when working with tabular data. Aside from that, we'll be employing many useful skills that will carry forward, such as object insertion, text formatting, form development, and basic styling.